So remember that it will now be all eyes about who becomes the Delhi Chief Minister. But here's the information, the inside scoop that we have. The Delhi CM oath will be after Prime Minister Modi returns from the tour in America. Remember, that's a scheduled tour. It's one of the most significant ones. He'll be meeting US President Donald Trump. So according to our sources, because that is scheduled for 12th and 13th February. So only after that will the Chief Minister's oath be taking. But does that mean even the name could be delayed till then, or could the name be announced earlier? Delhi BJP President will meet all the winning MLAs meanwhile this evening. Evening discussions have already been held with PM Modi, JP Nadda, Amit Shah in the office ahead of the swearing-in ceremony. So remember, the name is awaited and then oath ceremony, which will be more of a formality. So we are informed that after PM Modi returns from the tour to USA, that is when possibly all the NDA allies will be invited together and the BJP's CM candidate will take the oath. Shreya Chatterjee joining me for the latest on that. So Shreya, that's like 3 to 4 days, so I don't think that would make much of a difference. But why possibly even that delay? Well, now that they have won, why not go ahead with the announcement and the ceremony?
Well, Pooja, that's something that one would think, but going by the past track record of the BJP, they have a lot of protocols in place that they usually follow. There are party administrative hierarchies. There will be meetings that will be taking place. We saw one leg of that meeting already happening yesterday. And right now also outside Amit Shah's house, where we will be seeing JP Nadda also be here. So clearly, the huddle for who will be the Chief Minister of the national capital is on. There are multiple names in the fray. Parvesh Verma obviously dominating the presence over there. But it will be interesting to see when the final name is actually given out. But one thing is for sure, as the news is trickling in, that without the Prime Minister returning from his US trip, the oath ceremony will not be taking place. So clearly we are looking at a timeline of, say, post the 14th of February. Anytime we will be seeing this happening, because the Prime Minister, as he pointed out, will be back after the 13th.
Thank you very much for now. So Shreya telling us about that there are going to be huddles and discussions. They want to be very sure. A delay, that means about of this week, either end of this week, a decision, announcement, and then the oath ceremony.